So 900 is good, right? That's enough.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you
Can you
hear
hear me
me
now?
now? I can
Yes.
hear you, but it's disturbing. You can go
Okay.
on. No problem. Please go on. So,
Okay.
you told me last time that you were supposed to make a website and you have maybe some papers complexity and maybe it's solved now, right?
Yes. So we were waiting on paperwork. I'm using Spline to do the 3D image because I want the bird on the website. The emails, which I know you explained to me how to do that.
Mm-hmm.
He wants 5 emails though on there, not just one, with the
Okay.
domain name.
It's
Yeah,
possible. It's possible.
and plug it into the Wix, which I basically just YouTubed how to do that, but it has
Mm-hmm.
to be HTTP. I know that's one thing that it says it has to be HTTP. I'm gonna use basically Wix as the host, and then Spline software to do the imaging that he wants.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Asking me about credit cards, and I said, well, they don't take credit cards. You use like Western Union and what other pay options?
Yeah. Western is perfect. Western Union, Remitly, or you can pay through Payoneer as well if you want.
How payment work? And I said, well, I'm familiar with Western Union. One day at a time.
So when can we expect that you are gonna start, or when can we expect to starting the work?
Are you which work? The website?
Yeah, the website. Yeah,
Oh, that's gonna be Sunday. Sunday, I'll start the website.
I mean Sunday after tomorrow.
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
because I'll be here all day too. So
Okay. So meanwhile, you can do one thing. Let me tell you that you can do primary works. Okay, you can complete that half payment, and he can do your primary works that he needs to
are you
do.
looking for this? So 900 is good, right? That's enough.
Yes,
Okay,
it's enough. Okay.
because it's not gonna be like an e-commerce website. It's just gonna be information. And if I researched oil and gas websites, they're
Mm-hmm.
very bland. Ours ain't gonna be bland. Ours is gonna be some pretty colors. So, I can go ahead. I can get the information today when I speak to him, and then I'll send off everything. If not today, tomorrow, and then Sunday he'll purchase Wix the host, and then we can get on the call next week. Does that sound good?
That's good. Sounds good. So okay. So let me recap everything for you.
Go ahead.
Sorry, that's okay. So I was telling you that just let me recap everything for you. Okay, and I'll write it to you again. The file will write it to you. So first of all, you just need to do is confirm everything from your partner today, that what you're gonna do on the website, how will it look like, and what things you are gonna make changes and everything. Okay, with
Mhm.
everything. If you have any sample website link and everything, if you wanna change and these things. Okay, this is the first thing, and provide these things to us today. Second thing,
Mhm.
that as you said, you are gonna purchase Wix on Sunday.
Mhm.
So let's do that. And after doing that, just let us know. We'll send you the email, okay, of
Mhm.
developer. You just need to add him as a staff. Okay.
Okay.
So after adding him, you just make the payment. Okay. Just the half payment. After
Okay.
making the payment, he start working, and when he completed the works,
Okay.
then we'll let you know, and after that you'll review everything. If you like that things, yes, or if you need any changes or what you need to update or set up or anything that you need to do, just let us know and we'll
Okay.
complete the revision. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. That sounds good. I'll be sure to do that. Yes.
Is
Thank
there
you. I'll be sure to get that done, guys. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you so much again.